Now here LCM. So we find LCM. So using multiple method. So writing multiples and least multiple, we took least multiple, and second factorization method, and after that division method. So factorization method, multiple method, that 2 over already. Now we are going to discuss the LCM. We have to find the LCM using division method. So then how to find LCM using division method? Here 20 and 30. 20 and 32 numbers are given. These two numbers LCM we have to find using division method. See here, first we have to take 20 and then 30. Now 20 and 30, these two are even numbers. Why? Because in one's place 0 is there, in one's place 0 is there. It means these two are even numbers. When the numbers are even, then we have to take 2 table. 2 ones are 2 and this 0 as it is. 2 tens are 20. 2 tens are 20. In the same way, next in 2 table we have to take 3 first. 2 ones are 2. 2 and here 3 is there. 2 and 3 difference is 1. 1 difference is there. So it becomes 10. That 1 difference we have to keep here, and 10. Then when we get this 10 in 2 table, 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. Once again 30. 30 means first we have to take this 3. In 2 table when we get 3, 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2 and here 3 is there. A difference 1 is there. That difference 1 here, it becomes 10. 2 5s are 10. It means 15 2s are 30. 15 2s are 30. Then after that, this is 15, this is 10 and this is 15. 10 and 15. So here the last place value means one's place is 5, here one's place is 10. If one's place is 5 and one's place is 10, then we go for 5 table. Then 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Now if we check once this 2 and 3, these two are prime numbers. So whatever number left, so they are prime numbers, no need to take. So stop till here only. Stop till here only. If you want to take 2 table and again 3 table, that is your wish, but answer will be the same. Whenever at last if you got prime numbers, then again you don't take. Stop till there only. So now, then how to find LCM? 20 and 30. 20 and 30 LCM. 2 into 5 into 5 into 2. 2 into 3. We multiply all these numbers. 2 into 5 into 2 into 3. So now 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 23s are 60. This is our 20 and 30. 20 and 30 LCM. So in this way we are using division method. So we have to find LCM like this. First, whatever the numbers there, we have to check either they are even numbers or odd numbers, what. So if they are even numbers, then take 2 table. These two are even numbers. Why? Because in one's place 0 is there, in one's place 0 is there. These two are even numbers. When the numbers are even, then they are divisible by 2. Then take 2 table. 2 10s are 20, 2 15s are 30. How to take this 15? First we take 3, 2 1s are 2, 2 and 3. Here difference is 1. That difference we have to keep here. So it becomes 10. Then 2 5s are 10. Then after that here last place value is 0. Here one's place is 5. If one's place is 0 and one's place is 5, and they will divide in 5 table. So what is the common table? So they will divide 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Now here 2 and 3 left. 2 and 3 both are even numbers. If both are even numbers, then no need to check other. Then just multiply all. 5 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 3. 2 into 5 into 2 into 3. Then multiply them. 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 3s are 60. Using division method, so we have to find our LCM in this way. Next, fourth activity. In fourth activity, find the number which is 2 more than LCM of each of the following number. Each of the following number. Here he is asking LCM. We have three methods to find LCM. So one method is, first we have to write the multiples of all. Whatever the least multiple is common in all, so that is the least common multiple. And the second one is the division method. By using this division method, so we have to find and factorization method, prime factorization method. These three methods we have. First, this we have to use the multiple methods. We have to write the multiples of 4, 8 and 14. And after finding LCM, what here it is given, find the number which is 2 more than. After finding LCM, so we have to add 2 to the LCM. 2 to the LCM. Then see here. First 4 multiples. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36 and so on. Next 8. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, so on. Then 14 table. 14 1s are 14, 14 2s are 28, 14 3s are 52. 14 3s are 52. Once again. 14 3s are 42. 14 3s are 42. 14 4s are 56. 14 5s are 70. 14 6s are 84. 14 7s are 98. So on. So these are the 14 multiples. 14 1s are 14. 14 2s are 28. 14 3s are 42. 14 4s are 56. 14 5s are 70. 14 6s are 84. 14 7s are 98 and so on. Now, so what is the LCM? Now we have to find LCM. 4, 8 and 14. LCM. LCM means least common multiple. Least common multiple means that multiple should be common in all the three. So which one? Here 28 is there. Now 28. 28 is not there in 8 table. 24 is there. 24, which one is common in all? 4, 8, 14, 28, 28, 28, 42, 56, 70, 84, 98. There is no common. Just now we have to find the LCM of this number by using some multiples. Using multiples of 4, 8 and 14. 4 multiples, 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 9s are 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, so on. These are all 4 multiples. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 will increase. Then in 8, 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64. Enough. Why? Here 56 and here 56 came. Common. First common multiple. In 14 also, if it is there, then we check. Here once you check this here 8 is common, here 8 is common, here 16 is common, here 16 is common, here 24 is there, here 24 is there, here 32 is there, here 32 is there, here 40 is there, here 40 is there, here 48 is there, here 48 is there. Means whatever there in 4 table, that all there in 8 table. Now we have to check in 14 table. 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, 14 fives are 70, 14 sixes are 84, 14 sevens are 98, so on. If you check 14, there is no 14 common in these two. 28, there is no 28. 28 is there here and here, but there is no 28 in 8 table. Then 42, 42, no 42 nothing. 56, 56 is there. 56 common in all three. Here it is common, here it is common, here it is common. 56 is common in all. So this is the first multiple, least multiple which is common in all the 3, 4, 8 and 14. Here 56 is the least common multiple in 4, 8 and 14. 4, 8 and 14. So that implies 4, 8 and 14 LCM is equal to 56. The LCM is 56. Why? This is the least number which is common in all the three. It is there in 40, it is there in 4 table, it is there in 8 table and it is there in 56. Whatever the number is there, that should be there, that should be common in all. Common in all. Here find the number which is 2 more than the LCM. Now the number 2 more than LCM of each. LCM of each is equal to, what is LCM? This is LCM 56. 2 more we have to find plus 2. 2 more number we have to find. Here he is asking not the LCM he is asking. He is asking find the number which is 2 more than the LCM of each number. 2 more than we want. After finding LCM we have to add plus 2. Why? Because 2 more than we need. 56 plus 2, 58. This is our answer. First we have to find the multiples. First we have to find the multiples of 4, multiples of 8 and multiples of 14. Whatever 4 multiples are there, so that are 8 multiples also. So then in 14 table, so only the first number which is common in all, first multiple which is common in all the three is 56. This and this. In this all. Other than this, no other number is common in all. So this is the least, this is the first. After that, once we will get, after that more numbers were there which were common, but least we need. So this is the least number. This is the least common multiple. So that we have to take as a LCM. This is our LCM of 4, 8 and 14. So then after finding LCM, here which is 2 more than the number which is 2 more than LCM of each number. 2 more than we need. Whatever LCM is there, that LCM plus 2 more than plus 2, that is 58. 58 is our answer. Now here again one more question. So here 5, 7 and 15 is given. Again we have to write the multiples of 5, 7 and 15. 5 multiples. 5 multiples we have to take. 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 threes are 30, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50, and after that 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115 and so on. We have to increase 5, 5, 5, 5. Why? Because this is our 5 table. So in 5 table we have to increase 5, 5, 5. Next, 7. So another 7 into the 14, 7 to the 21, 7 for the 28, 7 for the 30, 7 6 7 6 7 7 5 35, 7 6 42, 7 7 49, 7 8 56, 7 9 63, 7 10 70. Then after that increase 7 7, 77, then 84, 84 plus 91, 91 plus 98, 98 plus 7, 105, 105 plus 5, 105 plus 7, 112 and so on. Then 15, 15 1 is 15, 15 2 is 30, 15 3 is 40, 15 2 is 30, 15 3 is 45, 15 4 is 60, 15 5 is 75, 15 6 is 90, 15 7 is 105, 15 8 is 120, 15 9 is 135 and so on and so on. Now what is common in all? So which number is common in all? We have to write. So we have to write more multiples. So in 5 table, because 5 table where the common will come we don't know, no? So it is better to write 20 25, 5 20s are 5 25 are till there you have to write and you have to check. Say if I check in all, so what I observed is here 105, here 105 and here 105. This 105 is common in all. 105 is common. Other than this, no other element, no other number is common. So before this, before 105, no other number is common in all the three. So 105 is common. First number which is first multiple which is common in all the three is, that is 105. So it means the least number which is common in all the three is 105. So LCM of 5, 7 and 15 is 105. 105. 105 is the LCM. Now the number 2 more than LCM of each. LCM of each is equal to whatever the LCM, so that we have to take and plus 2 we have to add. 105 plus 2, that is 107. 107. So in this way we have to find. First we have to write the multiples of all. So it is better to write more multiples. If small number is there, for that small number you have to write more multiples. For bigger number no need to write more multiples. For smaller number it is better to write more multiples. So more two sums were there in this. So that is their home assignment. Now find the LCM of the given number using prime factorization method. Before, so we did LCM using multiples. So whatever is the first common multiple, that is the LCM we wrote. So now using what? Prime factorization method. Using prime factorization method, we have to find the LCM. We have to find the LCM. Find prime factorization method. How? 36. First you take 36 and 45. These two numbers you have to take. 36, it is an even number. 2 18s are 2 18s are 36. Once you check where it will come in 30 into table. So you divide and you check. 18s are 2, 18s are, it will come like 36 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 and 1 is left 6. 2 8s are 16, like this. 2 18s are 36. 2 18s are 36. Now after this, 18 again even number. 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. Again this 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Then after that, then how to write this 45? Prime factorization method. First, this is last digit is 5 here, then it's divided by 5. Then take 5. 5 9s are 45. 5 9s are 45. And again this 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Then 36 prime factors. 36. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. These are the prime factors. 36. Then 45. Now you take 45. 5 into 3 into 3. 5 into 3 into 3. Now 36 and 45 LCM. Then how to take LCM? First, whatever is common, just you write common one time. 3 and 3 is common, so one time you have to take into. And one more 3 is common in both, one time again you have to take. Then after that, whatever is left, write on that. 5 into 2 into 2. 5 into 2 into 2. That we have to write. Now we multiply this all. 3 3s are 9. 9 5 are 45. 45 2s are 90. 90 2s are 180. 180 is our LCM. So in this way we have to do. First we have to take prime factors of this using tree diagram. So using tree diagram we have to write prime factors. So after writing prime factors, then how to find LCM? First, what is common in both common prime factors, common prime numbers in both, that we have to take 1. 2 3s were there, one time we have to take. 2 3s there, one time we have to take, and remaining we have to write. And after that we have to multiply. Whatever we will get, that is our LCM. Then 28. In second question, 28. 2 14s are. After that 2 7s are. 28 is over. Then next 56. 2 28s are. 2 28s are 56. Again 28 same. 28 means 2 14s are. And again 14 means 2 7s. 2 7s are. After that 54. 2 27s are. 2 27s are 54. And after that 3 9s are. After that 3 3s are. Now prime factors. First 28. 2 into 2 into 7. 2 into 2 into 7. Then 56. Then I have to take 56. 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Then 54. How to take 57? 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Like this. Now 28, 56 and 54 LCM. How to take whatever is common in all the three, one time we have to write. And after that again, what is common? Nothing is common. Nothing is common. Now we have to write. Remaining 2 into 7 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 into 7 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 into 3. Now you multiply all this. 2 2s are 4. 4 7s are 28. Till here 28. 2 2s are 4. 4 7s are 28. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27. Again you multiply these 3 and write your answer here. 28 into 28 into 27. That answer you have to write here. So in this way we have to find the LCM. If you want to find 28 into 28, what is your answer? How to find? 8 8 the 64, 8 to the 16, 16, 16, 22, 16 plus 6, 22, again with 2, 2 8 the 16, 2 the 4, 5, 4, 8, 7, 7 84, again with 27, again with 27. Now 7 for the 28, 7 8 the 56, 58, 5, 7 7 the 49, 54, 2 7 the 14, 2 8 the 16, 17, 2 7 14, 15, 8, 12, 1, 7, 8, 12, 11. This is your LCM. 21,228. This is your LCM. So first we have to write the prime factors. 2 into 2 into 7, 2 into 2 into 2 into 7, and after that 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Then whatever is the answer that we have to write. Yes, in this 28, 56 and 54, 28 prime factors are 2 14s are 2 7s are. Then 2 into 2 into 7, 28 prime factors. Then 56 prime factors, 2 28s are. 28 means 2 14s again, the same thing, 2 7s are. And 54 prime factors, 2 27s are, 3 9s are 27 and 3 3s are 9. 54 prime factors, 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Then how to find LCM? So in all the 3, 1 3 is common, that 3 we have, that 2 we have to take. In this 1 2 is common, so 1 time we have to write. In this both 1 7 is same, that 7 we have to take 1 time only. And other than this all are single. There is no common. In this 3 2's 1 2 we have to take. In both 2 is there, 2 is there, 2 is common, so we have to write 1. And in this 2 7 7 is there, so 1 time we have to take. And remaining whatever left, that we have to take 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now we have to multiply. 2 2's are 4, 4 7's are 28. 28 2's are 56. Till here 56. 56 into 3 3's are 9, 9 3's are 27. 56 into 27. Multiply 56 with 27. 7 6 are 42, 4. 7 5 are 35 plus 4, 39. Then 2 6 are 18, 1. 2 5 are 10, 10 plus 1, 11. 2, 17, 3, 4, 5. 1575. 1572. This is our LCM. This is our LCM of 28, 56 and 54. First we have to write the prime factors. After writing our prime factors in tree diagram, so then we have to take which one is common. So according to that we have to write common first, then whatever left single that we have to multiply. Then after that multiply all, then whatever the answer is, that is our LCM. The next question, 24 and 276. This LCM we have to find. First 24. This is even number, 2 12 are 24. Again 2 6 are. Again 2 3 are. 24 is over. Then after that 276. 276. This is even number with 2. 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 2 8s are. 2 138s are, 2 138s are, 276. Again this is even number, again with 2. 2 6 are, 2 9s are. 269 are, 2 into 69, that is 138. And this 69, it is in 3 table. 3 2s are, 3 3s are. 3 23s are. 3 23s are. Once again 276 divide with 2. 276 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 7, 2 threes are 6, and 1 and 6. 2 8s are 16. 2 138s are 276. Then after that 138. 138 with 2. 2 6s are 12. 1 left. 2 9s are 18. 2 169s are 2 169s are again 69 with 3. 69 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6, 9, 3 3s are 9. 3 23s are 3 23s are. Then 24 prime factors. 24. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. And 276. 2 into 2 into 3 into 23. So these are our prime factors. Then after finding prime factors, LCM 24 and 276 LCM. 1 2 we have to take, 1 2 we have to take, and 1 3 we have to take. Then after that, whatever single left, that we have to take. 2 into 23. 2 into 23. Now multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. 24 into 23. Then multiply. 24 with 23. 3 4s are 12, 3 are 6, 7. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. 2, 15, 552. That is 552. This is your LCM.